This is the Imalent MS12 Mini C. There is a previous version called the Imalent MS12 Mini. The difference being that it charges via a standard 5.5mm jack at 19 volts, I believe, whereas this one charges via USB-C. There is also an earlier version called the Imalent MS12, not the mini version. Now that one is a bit dimmer at it only puts out 53,000 lumens. This one, along with the standard MS12 Mini, puts out 65,000 lumens. Also note that the original MS12 is about 11.5 centimeters longer. The battery pack is longer, and the lamp head is about 50% larger, so it's a lot less portable. Now this is one-handed unboxing, so I've kind of loosened the tail up so it's a bit easier to handle. But the first thing I'll say is there's no way for me to tell whether I've been sent the cool white or warm white version, because these are available in both variants. So the first thing I'm going to remove is the UK plug USB-C power adapter. So this is just a standard GAN USB-C PD power adapter, and its output modes are listed there. So you can get GAN to 65 watts ones online, which are smaller and more compact. Yep, so that comes with it. Doubt I'll be using that anyway. The other thing that it comes with is the accessory bag that only has a couple of items in it, nothing exciting. So it's got USB-C power cable, male to male, 2 O-rings for the connection between the battery pack and the lamp head, and 2 O-rings to cover the tail cap, which we'll have a look at in a moment. Now there is one other thing that I just realized I'm missing. There is a user manual. Yeah, there we go. So it does come with this user manual as well, multilingual. Alright, anyway, moving on. So this is the unit itself. Hard to get it out with one hand, but we'll get there. There's a desiccant pack there, nothing exciting. This is the unit itself. So again, there's no indication whether this is the warm white or cool white version. It has 3 cooling fans for active cooling, one there, another there, and another there, spaced out 90 degrees apart. That's the button, the power button. The modes can be cycled through with a combination of holding this down, or double or triple clicking, maybe quadruple clicking. You have to refer to the manual to find out what does what. I'm not going to cover that in this video. It does feel a bit Chinese to me. There's certain things that I feel that aren't very wise. For example, the interface here is just going to keep grinding off the black layer because it's threaded. So every time this tail cap is removed, the friction will do that. So this is the USB-C charging port, and that's real USB-C, so it will negotiate the charging voltage and amps. I'm just going to flip this around and unscrew the lamp head from the battery. So this is the top of the battery pack. So by default, it comes with this insulator to block off the positive terminal, because you don't want this coming on in transit. That's the O-ring there. It's they've greased up the connection, the threads as well. Yeah, I wish they've done that to the tail. Anyway, who knows why? Chinese products. So it's got 12 CREE XHP70 second generation LEDs, which are the brightest LEDs on the market now. Now I say that with a bit of caution because there are brighter ones, but they run at 36 volts and 150 volts, etc. But as far as sort of battery voltage, 3 point whatever volts, 3.6 volts nominal, there's nothing brighter than this on the market. So the only way to get your torch to put out more light is to have more of them, which is why the MS12 has 12 and the brighter MS18 has 18, and Imalent's brightest torch in the world, the MS32, has 32 of these. This is just the interface, electrical interface. Now, I've noticed that this isn't sprung, which probably means that you want to tighten this up nice and tight for the lamp to work at turbo mode at 65,000 lumens, because you really need to compress the aluminum. Thankfully, aluminum is a bit ductile, so you want to compress that outer ring against the outer ring there to get the maximum surface area, so you have the ability to transfer as much current as it needs. That's it. Yep, don't think there's anything else that I haven't covered. Oh yes, there's one final thing. I knew there was something. So Imalent does not make battery packs with what do you call that, with changeable user changeable cells. So these are meant to be replaced as a single unit, as a whole unit. Yeah, so just very quickly, apparently you can use the non-USB-C battery pack with this lamp as well. So it will screw in and will fit into place. Alright, so yes, I was wondering what cells are in this, and Imalent doesn't say explicitly on the website what's in it, but some people have said that there are actually 4 2170 cells in this. So just to give you an idea, this is what a 2170 cell looks like. So it is quite large in diameter, and I think to fit 4 in there is a bit, I don't know, a bit ambitious, but maybe there are 4 in there. Yep, just food for thought. Obviously the tail cap does say it's 3.6 volts, so the batteries will be arranged in parallel. So if there are 4 in there, then it's a 1S4P configuration. So yep, 1 in series, 4 in parallel, just to allow it to draw more current at the same time. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. So I thought let's quickly charge it up just to see what the current draw is like. So it does say 67, this is upside down obviously, so it's drawing 67 watts, so it is maxing out the 65 watt power adapter. And over here on the LCD display, it does say it's at 19 volts, 2.9 amps. So in case you're wondering, that's the power draw.